Hello, Spencer Claydon, Commercial Director for Claydon Seed Drills. Today I'm just drilling with a 6 metre evolution drill, and you can see it's drilling really nicely. We are now the 11th of March, and at the moment we're just putting in some spring crops and they're going in absolutely beautifully. We are also putting in some beans in that hopper. We're putting in fertilizer in that hopper, seed at the back, and then also slug pellets as we apply as well. And I will just jump out and show you what sort of a job that it's doing at the moment. So I'll switch the fans off so it's not going to be quite so noisy. Handbrake on, 9 series fence, so nice machine for pulling the equipment. Glove on. So you can see what the drill is doing. A leading tine is going through and creating a drainage tack underneath the seeding zone. Then the seed is being placed. As I say, it's oats that we're planting here, and the seed is being spread across the band there. And then the beans are going down, spring beans, so we don't want them too deep, so we're applying them off the back here. So the seed is being injected here underneath and each side of the duckfoot coulter, which is here. So all of the seed is in fresh clean soil. Then the paddles and the harrows, or sorry, not the paddles, the tines then push the soil back over the top and cover the seed in there. So again, you can see exactly what the drill is doing. And again, this was oil seed rape, and it's been left over the winter, and yeah, we're just putting these spring oats in now. So this is the effect that you have in the field. See the earthworms and the soil health there. Some slug pellets down because we do suffer some slugs, especially where it's been a little bit wet. There's the channel from the leading tine, and I have to be a little bit more careful because the oats can move very easily. There's an oat there, just down in the soil, and yeah, the fertilizer and beans will be down that channel. So it's nice and level. We've only disturbed the soil here where the seed is being placed, and down here where the roots will grow. Everything else is left completely intact. Another earthworm there. Everything else is left intact. So it's only these channels, and then everything else is left completely intact and undisturbed. We do also have the ability, and for our winter crops, we put a companion bean in using these points on the front here. So we applied the bean deep down there, but these spring beans don't need to be quite so deep, so we're putting them more towards the surface. And as I say, it's nicely buried there. The oats are down here, nicely buried in the soil, and then that fertilizer will be spread, and the beans in there as well, spread across and in the channels here. So that's me for today. I hope you're all getting out and getting drilled up and everything's looking well. As I say, you want to apply multiple products, we have the tool to do it. Seed hopper, slug pellets, seed distribution for the beans and fertilizer, they both go into the single channel. Distribution for the slug pellets on the back there, the distribution pipes for the seed there, cutting discs to manage crop residues, and and our front hopper, which has 2 metering units. So as I say, beans in this side, fertilizer in this side, and we're just putting them into a singular pipe to distribute them down there, which you can change this over and you can get it to run into one or the other pipes just by moving across that little switch at the bottom there. So it's a really good system, all pressurized, cracking bit of kit. So thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you around.